3 to 1, listen to this. Let's go. One of the fastest SUVs. I mean, it's better than the Euros, it's better than the G63 and better than the Bentayga in terms of performance. This is crazy. I mean, we're still talking about an SUV. We're doing 300. 300 is unbelievable. So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today you join me inside the 2025 model Aston Martin DBX 707, and in today's video we will be doing a lot of this. Listen to the sound! A lot of this. 300! Whoa, 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 whoa! And a lot of more funny stuff with this crazy car. It's one of the fastest SUVs, production SUVs, and we will be pushing towards its limits. We will be driving on the German Autobahn with the Aston Martin DBX, and we will have quite a lot of fun. Before we start with the drive, let me show you the outside. So that's how the car looks from the outside. We have a quite special color option. It's called Supernova Red. It's from the Q department, which is focused on individualization and yeah, giving you the best spec option. And we have a crazy spec here, full red in the outside and full red in the inside. Okay, since it's a car built in the UK, we have the thingy right over here for the engine cover and the bonnet here in the front. Opening it up, here we have it. This is the 4-liter V8 bi-turbo. Here you can read it, 4-liter twin-turbo V8 by Aston Martin. Is actually made in Germany in Affalterbach. It's made by AMG. It's a highly modified AMG engine and gives us 707 horsepower. This one, final inspection by Rick Jones. It's quite cool. I mean, the engine will say Aston Martin, but just look at that. Quite inside, right there you see it. The badges, the white thingies, it literally says AMG. See that? So interesting. Anyways, the engine is amazing, the car is amazing as well. We will be testing it. Let's go. I totally forgot to show you the rear. That's how the car looks from the back. Amazing. 707 edition is actually the base, so there is no more base DBX. There's the 707 edition, and now there's even a DBXS, which is even crazier. Can't wait to show you that. But now for this time and for this video we will be driving this, so let's do a sound check. Okay, for the sound check we'll be putting both windows down and we will be switching. The car is already in Sport Plus, which activates the exhaust button, which you have here. You can turn it on and off. 3 to 1, listen to this. So as you can see, we have a rev limiter at around 3000 RPM. I wish it went all the way up to at least 4000 RPM, because then we have quite a nice V8 exhaust noise. Yeah, the rev limiter at this point destroys it for me, but while driving we will be hearing a lot more of that. Before we start, let's also jump outside and listen to the sound from the back. It's quite windy, but let's listen to the exhaust of the Aston Martin DBX 707. Listen. How do you guys like it? While driving it's louder, so let's start the drive. Okay, we just actually left the Jerk Collector track day and we will be driving this all the way back home. Putting on the seat belts first and let's get it on. The car is actually set in Sport Plus, and right over here you can change the driving mode. Watch this. It's in Sport and GT mode. In GT mode the car actually lifts up. You can see that by the lift level. We have no exhaust. Also suspension is regular. It drives extremely smooth. So actually, yeah, let's get into it. Let's start the drive in GT mode. There you go. It's quite interesting when you have the sun hitting the interior. I mean, we have a humongous panoramic sunroof here, which I really love. You get a lot of light in the inside. The interior lights up. We have so much red and we have not a lot of reflections. Quite fine. The interior is so unique. Full red matching with the whole exterior as well. Starting in GT mode, it's quite soft. I mean, yeah, the steering is still hard. Yeah, we have the start stop. I hate this. It makes no sense to have that with an Aston Martin, but I mean, if you daily drive it, why not? So making our way towards the German Autobahn now. I'm telling you right away, before I enter the German Autobahn, I will be switching it up to Sport Plus again. The DBX is ready to rumble. The engine is warm, the weather is amazing. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow, 200 already. Full throttle. A lot of space, it's unlimited. 300. I mean, we're still talking about an SUV. We're doing 300. 300 is unbelievable. Wow! You feel so safe. The car it actually boosts your confidence and makes the drive so easy. You could easily, I mean I wouldn't, but you could easily drive it single-handed. 300 with this car feels so easy. Wow! Full throttle again. And then braking again. We have the carbon ceramic brakes, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, yo, my friend, why are you doing this? But no problem. We have great brakes. 150, so easy. It's a great cruising car, but it actually, whenever you hit the gas, you can hear the V8 rumble, and it motivates you to go sporty again. I mean, it's such a classic and yet elegant looking car, but look at this. Yeah! Listen to the sound. Lovely. Huge fan. Breaking it down again. It's easy, quite comfortable. Love the German Autobahn. It's a bit crowded, but yet again, how do you guys like the drive so far? How do you guys like the sound response? For me, the only thing that Aston Martin was lacking was a great interior, and as you can see, they have reworked the whole interior, have upgraded it with those screens here. The infotainment is not the old Mercedes laggy command system. Now they actually worked out their own UI system. The user experience here, the infotainment in general is quite nice, just from the way it looks. Also updated steering wheel, updated interior, makes such a difference. The car feels like a rocket, just wants to take off. The response is quite direct. When I switch it to GT, the response isn't as sporty as with Sports Plus. Nice sound. I love the V8 sound. Great sound. I mean, we have quite a lot of sound isolation. Keep that in mind. We have double glass windows, for example, here. The car is actually more comfortable, luxurious cruiser, but I mean, it can do it. 707 horsepower. One of the fastest SUVs. I mean, it's better than the Urus, it's better than the G63, and better than the Bentayga in terms of performance. Keep that in mind, guys. This is crazy. So in total, the price for this one, this fully spec car, is at 370,000 euros with taxes included, if I'm not mistaken. What do you think about the price? I mean, for 370,000 euros, you get this custom special Aston Martin DBX 707. I mean, the base price for this one with taxes included, you move towards 300,000. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, the competition is crazy. That's the issue. The main issue is the competition, and that's why you don't see a lot of these cars on the road, especially in Germany. But I think it's a great car. The performance is great, the sound is great, the interior, the finish, the quality is amazing. They have improved. They completely improved all of it. I always get excited, I'm sorry. Whenever I'm on the Autobahn, I instantly forget what to say. So much fun, I'm telling you. I could do this all day long. Thank you so much to Aston Martin. Guys, what will you say? Would you rather get the Aston Martin DBX 707, Lamborghini Urus, or Bentley Bentayga? Please share it in the comment section below. I mean, Aston Martin is one of the only car manufacturers and brands, especially in the luxury niche, that offers ICE engines only and no hybrid powertrains. And that's what makes the brand so exciting for me personally. I think it's a great car brand. It doesn't deserve any hate. The DBX is an amazing car. They've improved and worked on the car again with the complete change in the interior. I like it a lot. The only thing that I have a problem with might be the price, and the resale value of these cars isn't good. That's the only thing that I'm concerned about. But apart from that, the car is extremely great. I love it. Huge fan. What do you guys think? Please share it in the comment section below. Yeah, I'm already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. Downshifting here. Nice V8 sound. Huge fan. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.